What's going on, guys? Today I am back doing some car stuff. My brother got me some pretty cool carbon fiber mirror covers for my M6 for Christmas. So today I'm gonna go ahead and get those installed. First thing I'm gonna have to do is get my cover taken off. Then I have to open my car. My mirrors are currently stored upwards, so I'll have to rotate those down, clean those off. Probably gonna use a heat gun to heat up the mirrors so they fit the covers so they fit well. Then double-sided tape those boys on and we should be done. Cover off, mirrors are nice and clean now. The car was clean before, I just used some clay luber on there. This is what you use when you're clay barring your car, but it also works to remove any extra grease or dirt or anything like that. So hit both of the mirrors like that. So now I'm gonna grab the caps and do a quick check fit. And I noticed I put one up there when I first got them, so I might have to heat them up a little bit just so they adhere better to the mirror itself. It is winter time, so it is cold. So after I do a quick check fit, I'm gonna get the adhesive it came with, figure out how I'm gonna put that on, heat up both sides so that it kind of molds to the mirror itself, and that should be pretty much it.
Stuck with butterflies, and then you leave me speechless. My world turned upside down. Don't break my heart. Don't break my heart. Just say that you won't go and break my. Just say that you won't go and break now. Just say that you won't go and break my. Just say that you won't go and break my. That you won't go and break my. Just say that you won't go and break now. Just say that you won't.
Got both of them installed now. I went ahead and did this side as well. I learned on that side, taping in here as well as all on that bottom edge really helps a lot. Also, once you have this on here, if you heat it up a bunch with the heat gun, you can kind of push it down into that 3M tape because it is gonna melt a little bit. But I think I'm gonna pull the car outside really quick, get some quick shots, and then we'll be done. That's gonna be it for today, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video. I promise you there's more car stuff coming in the near future. My E46 is still at the shop. They're wrapping up the final little bits of welding the diff. Once that car is back, I've got a few different parts to add to that, clean it up a bit, get that whole thing moving. M6 is going back in storage for now. As I'm speaking, there's some flurries coming down, so definitely still cold and not ideal for driving right now. So, with that being said, hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.